Hello and welcome back to my channel and to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Nicola. I make lifestyle videos and today we are at Ikea. I just thought I would pop in. I don't have anything I really need to get. I want to get some soap dispensers, I think, and we need a new shoehorn. What else would you go to Ikea for but a shoehorn? I'm here with Miss Phoebes.
Hello.
And yeah, we're just going to have a little look around, so I thought I would take you with me and show you what's new in Ikea and give you a little tour around. Gosh, you look pale. You need some blusher. Yeah, we'll come back and show you what we got at the end if we buy anything. I mean, we'll probably buy a hot dog because that's the only reason she's here.
Yeah, and to go to Primark.
Oh, and we're going to go to Primark after. But yeah, so I will take you with us and show you what's new in Ikea at the moment, and yeah, then show you what we bought afterwards if we get anything apart from the hot dog.
Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free.
I like these.
I see restocking videos on TikTok.
Yeah.
With the smelly things. You know, the smelly.
Or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide.
That's a cafetiere. You put coffee in it.
Looks like a fidget spinner.
The size of that lampshade.
Oh look, it's
Fried eggs.
very hard.
This is kind of cool. Get some more eucalyptus.
I used to be this size of shoe. I cannot pick it up.
It's cute, isn't it? It's nice little blanket. I don't think we need any blankets, do we? Quite like that basket. What could you put in there?
I don't know.
Oh look, they do these, look. Tiny little tiny pumpkins. Where'd you get these from? £4.50, they've got them here. I want these.
Yeah.
Let's find out where we get those from. Quite like this kitchen, I'd like a dark kitchen. I don't know whether I would ever...
And you know in the game where I play like Toka Life?
Yeah.
They have like kitchen supplies and it's exactly the same.
Yeah, Phoebe, want to get one of these? And get this for biscuits.
Biscuits.
Be careful, it's glass now. We do have biscuit. Kind of cool for a man cave or a den.
I reckon this would be Harry's room.
You reckon?
Yeah. This would be Harry's room.
Oh, somebody just left it there. Maybe not touch things. Ew. No, this is kind of cool. I like this. Our pantry needs to look a bit more like this and less like it does. This is cool. Put things in. Could use understairs storage. Cool idea. table. We've got a little balcony.
Like those cups.
But they're nice, aren't they? I love all these table setups.
Boy, need them.
You need a mat.
I've been to the top of Mount Everest. I've sailed the 7 seas. I've shared the stage with all the best. A lot of good it did for me. I've walked the wall of China. Walked till my feet were sore.
See, I'd kind of like this as my office. I know I like white, but this is kind of cool, isn't it?
Wait, oh, they might have an office chair here. My bedroom.
Yeah.
Good morning, this is the customer answer.
What do you know? Somehow all that I've been longing for was found right here next door to me. Watched the shore, got travel story Shakespearean. Still I found my love next door. Well, what do you know? Oh, I didn't have to travel the world. Yeah, what do you know? To find a brown-eyed man for a blue-eyed girl. What do you know? Somehow all that I've been longing for was found right here next door to me. Was found right here next door to me.
To have all this storage for clothes. Look, the dressing room. Huh?
All my clothes would fit in here. What do you reckon?
OOTD. It'd be your dream bedroom. Look at that.
Yeah. Just in a different colour.
You don't like red? How cool would that be? Oh, I love this. That's amazing. I love how they've styled all this. Oh. The masks.
Here's some jars.
Yeah, they have all these in the market section. Oh, this is amazing. escalated from not wanting to buy anything to having a trolley full. We're back in the car. Hot dogs are being eaten. I've had mine. And I was going to show you what we bought in the shop now in the car before we moved on, but we bought a lot more than I thought. So I think what I'll do is we're going to carry on with our shopping, and then when we get home I will show you what we got then. We are back, and yeah, I just thought I'd show you what I bought. As I said, I bought a lot more than I had intended, but it's always the way when you go to Ikea, isn't it? So I'll just show you quickly what we got. So first of all, I got these boxes, these two small ones and then one larger one. These are actually for Phoebe. They're for her fidget toys, which if you saw one of my last videos where she showed you all of her fidgets, she needs some storage for them. So that is what that is for. So that will look nice in the playroom, and put in. They should go in one of our Clarke units and be nice and stuck away. And then if she's going to a friend's house and she wants to take them, she can just shove them all into a bag and they're all together. So that's good. Bought some of these. These are biscuits. Biscuits with almonds. I thought they sounded super yummy, so I got those. Also got these for Phoebe. So she's got like a bar in her bedroom. You might have seen when I did her bedroom tour. And she's got 3 pots like these that have pens and things in, and she just wanted a different colour. She got white ones and she fancied this sagey green colour, which is fine. I mean, ordinarily I would have said no, the ones you've got are fine, but they were 75p each, so I thought we'll add a bit of colour, so she had those. We got lots of these. So these are the Ziploc bags, and we use them for bagging up our Lego. So you may have seen in my videos that we've got a Lego business, and yeah, we go through quite a lot of Ziploc bags because they're the best things to bag up the Lego before we send them off to people. So there are various sizes there, so that's what those are for. I picked up 2 of these soap dispensers. I think these were like £3 each. They're not what I wanted. I wanted plastic ones that wouldn't break, but they didn't have any. They had one that looked like glass but was plastic, which was perfect, but it was blue glass, and I didn't really want blue. I wanted clear or like a charcoaly grey glass would have been nice, but they didn't have it. And all the other plastic ones just looked overly plastic, and I didn't really want that. So I bought these, and I just bought 2, even though we've got 4 toilets in the house where we'd want soap. I bought 2 just to see how they last, because I can see, and I think I mentioned this in a video before, somebody coming in and just knocking it over and smashing. So we'll see how they last, and if they do, then I will buy a couple more. They had these in this sort of mushroomy colour, and they also had them in black, but I quite like that. Our bathroom's all grey, so I thought that would look quite nice. I bought a couple of these cushion inners, which are 50 by 50. These are for our bed, and these mustardy coloured pillowcases for them. We have, see what I mean? These are not going to last long. We have for our autumn bedding, we have this colour sheet and pillowcases, and then a white sort of fleecy duvet cover with this sort of colour in it. So I thought these would look nice on top as a couple of cushions. So that's for our bedroom. I bought these little pumpkins. These were £4.50 for 3. I had seen some on Amazon, and I was very tempted to get some. And I was humming and hawing, and then I saw these, and I thought, actually, I can just get these instead. The ones on Amazon were like a proper sage green colour, and they had some white ones, whereas these are sort of a mixture of white and sage green. They're a mixture of the two, and I thought they'd look quite nice in here come autumn time, and you know my obsession with pumpkins. So I got 2 lots of those. I got this biscuit barrel, glass biscuit barrel. I actually have one of these already in my office with fairy lights in it, which I love, but we needed something for biscuits, so I thought this would be good. And I do have some jars for biscuits, but they actually don't keep them fresh at all, whereas I think this probably will. It looks quite a good seal on it, and this was only like £2.50, so I grabbed that. I grabbed a couple of fedgkas, because you can never have enough fake flowers, can you? I got these to go on this thing. So I bought this, there you go, can you see? It's like a black metal bar, and then on it you can hang these little hooks, and you can also hang these things and put the real plants or fake plants, but I'm going to put fake ones in. And I thought this would go really nicely over there. and just hang underneath there, because this is where we put our tea towels. They sort of get dumped on the radiator, and I would like them to hang nicely, so I'm going to get some little clips to put on the tea towels, and we can hang them on here, and then a couple of these on will make it kind of nice over there. Just a bit of a blank wall, so it would look quite nice, I thought. Bought the shoehorn that we went for, and also bought some what is this, kind of citrusy type potpourri, which I will put upstairs. I think I've actually got some left over from last year as well, but I like the colours, obviously go with our autumn decor, so I like that, so I bought some of that as well. And that was everything. So not a massive amount of stuff, but as I say, more than I had intended. So I hope you like this video and this sort of come along to Ikea with me. I was really impressed. I love going there purely just to get inspiration for like the table scapes and things like that bar on the wall and things like that. Their kitchens are just lovely. I love the kitchens more than anything else, actually. But yeah, we got lots of inspiration while we were there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you next time.